Alright, hello guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. I mean, the stock market is up. Things are looking up, up, and up. Right? Everything seems to be very, very good. That is except for my stock market portfolio. But besides that, everything is pretty good because the S&P is up today. What do you know? And what do you know? The S&P is up today, and it left me wondering, like, should I have made that video yesterday? But anyways, what I'm here for is to give you guys up-to-date current events on what is happening with the government, with the economy, with everything, so that hopefully it helps you make a better decision on the stock market. But personally, I don't think that really matters because the stock market isn't really looking at the economy. It's actually more focused on the government side of it, at least in my opinion anyways. And if you just like the content, if you just like a quick summary of what is currently going on in the world right now, please subscribe, okay? Please hit the like button. It'll really help me out. Alright, so now that I got that out of the way, let's get to it. Alright, well, let's start off today with a review of all the indexes and see what is going on. So, first off, we have the S&P 500. As you guys can see here, the S&P 500 is up 0.85%. This data is as of an hour before it closes. So yesterday I made a video saying to be careful about today because it might drop. Obviously, it didn't drop. Basically, I am flabbergasted. I mean, who would have guessed that the indexes would have gone up 4 straight days in a row? It could go up tomorrow too, so I wouldn't put it behind me. I just can't stop looking at this graph because, I mean, starting from May 13th. And from May 13th, it has been going up, 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 and then a little bit, one down day, then up, and then another down day. But then, since then, May 21st, it has been going up 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Today is the 4th day. It'll end up positive today, probably around this number. So, and then it might go up tomorrow too, right? So, 4 to 5 days of positive growth, the S&P. And let's look at the Dow. And the Dow Jones is actually up 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. This is the 3rd positive day. But, I mean, even before that, it has been going up since May 13th. Up, 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 a little bit of down, up, a little bit of down, and a little bit of down, and then up, up. And then let's look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is one crazy thing because, let's look at the NASDAQ from here. Ever since April 3rd, it's been going up nonstop. I mean, it's not even close. I mean, it's not even close to the S&P or the Dow Jones. It just doesn't even care about the economy right now. And this is because it is a heavily tech-based index. And the tech has been crazy. It just doesn't care about the economy, and it goes up whenever it wants. So today we are going to be looking at unemployment numbers, what the House passed recently, just today, I think it's just today, and airlines and what are they up to. Okay, so as you guys probably know by now, every Thursday there is an unemployment report that is released from the government. This week, like any other week, we had very, very high unemployment rates. What's new? So in this report, it says, a new report this morning showed the new unemployment claims total a slightly greater than expected 2.123 million unemployment last week. Their expected number was 2.05 million unemployment filings. So yeah, that's the unemployment for this week. I mean, what else is new? So moving on, we have House approved changes to business virus aid subsidy program. So basically, the House just passed a new bill that would change the structure of the PPP program. So the primary change of this bill is that this new measure gives business owners 24 weeks to spend the federal aid instead of the 8 weeks as originally designed, and extends the programs throughout the end of the year while also lengthening the maturity date and deferral period of the loans. So the previous bill actually forced business owners to hire back all their employees. They had to spend the money within 8 weeks or else they'd have to pay it back. But many business owners feared that they would use up all their loan monies before being allowed to reopen. And then they'd have to lay off employees again because businesses wouldn't bring in enough revenue to keep paying everyone. So basically, they're seeing this as more of a long-term thing that cannot be overcome within 8 weeks. So now businesses have 24 weeks, and they have extended the maturity and deferral period of the loan if the loan is not forgiven. But there's a very, very good chance that the PPP would be forgiven. And finally, some airline news. More airlines plan big layoffs despite taking billions in bailout money. So the big airline companies that were taking bailout monies from the government is actually still planning very big layoffs within the upcoming weeks and months. So let's take a look at American Airlines. In a staff letter, American Airlines said it would cut its management and support staff by 30% and could cut frontline employees like flight attendants following the severe drop in travel amid the coronavirus. On Wednesday, Boeing said it was cutting 12,000 jobs, including nearly 7,000 involuntary layoffs, as demand for aircraft falls amid COVID-19. United Airlines has also warned a 30% cut in administrative staff, or at least 3,450 people. So all of these airlines have received at least $5 billion in government relief fund. But now they're still laying off people despite the actual clause in the bailout terms that they would not fire anyone. And leave it to lawyers to find loopholes in the contract because they are still keeping their $5 billion. Okay, so let's look at how the airline stocks are doing right now. Well, this is United Airlines. I'm a big fan of United Airlines because their stock made me a lot of money. But I actually exited out like 2 days ago. Just today, they're down 4%. They have had a very, very long run within the last 2 weeks. So being down 4% is no problem. They are all down today. All the airlines are down. American Airlines is down almost 7%. Delta Airlines is down 1.6%. Southwest Airlines 1.5%. If we look at the cruises are also sharing a very similar story. They are down 6%. Royal Caribbean down 2%. All the travel and leisure stocks are down today. So that is just to give you guys an update. And the truth is, I would like to share my opinions, but my opinions are not always accurate because the economy is not the same as the stock market. The stock market is just crazy. I mean, I'm sure you can make a lot more money by going the exact opposite direction of what the economy is doing, because apparently that's what's been happening for the last 2 months. So today, I am not saying that the stock market will go down tomorrow. I'm not saying that the stock market will go down next week. I'm saying that it will go up forever, and you should put all of your life savings into it because it could pay out very, very big. Okay. Don't put your life savings into it, okay? And don't. You should never be putting your life savings into it. What I really want to say is, yes, the stock market could go up again tomorrow, or it could go up next week. But please be careful. This stock market is unlike last year where they have been hitting high numbers over and over again. But right now, the index is really, really high without the economy backing it up. So it could very well drop very quickly. So be careful. I'm not saying that you shouldn't invest, because if you don't invest, you might miss out on this very big bull run. But be careful and have some cautionary money on the side. Don't put everything in. Alright, well, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, okay? You guys make me happy. Okay? So, if you guys like the content, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button. It would really help me out. Okay? But until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.